Hey, Scott, Sambucci here. It's Monday morning. I'm heading over to my local Phil's Coffee, and in this video, I want to talk to you about something that comes up all of the time whenever I'm working with startups. So here's the thing. Most people think when they're demoing the product that the product demo is about the product. But the real truth is, the product demo has absolutely nothing about your product. See, too often, there's three major problems that startups have whenever they're doing their product demos. Number one, they're doing their demos to anybody who actually wants a demo, because a lot of times those product demos in those meetings are coming from a batch and blast or spray and pray email campaign. Number two, when they actually get into the product demo, they're spending a lot of time focusing on the product. Number three, and this is the real truth, is that the product demo is actually not about your product at all. It's about the customer's problem. So if in your product demos, all you're doing is focusing on your product, focusing on the features, focusing on the functionality and all the reasons why the buttons are blue and not red, guess what? Your product demos aren't gonna go anywhere. You're gonna leave those product demos with, hey, sounds cool, send me a login. Or, hey, sounds pretty neat. Can you send me a one-pager to share with my team? Or, hey, can you whip up a proposal? How much is it? So that I can run it up the flagpole and ask my boss if it's okay if we buy this. So if you wanna fix your product demos, the only thing you need to do is focus on the problem instead of your product. Okay? That's it for now. I'm gonna go get a coffee. Have a good day.